I've met them.
When you get on, have a fantastic experience of Plymouth. And all being well, I'll see you at breakfast tomorrow.
We're at the Mountbatten Centre in Perth, and shortly your instructors will arrive to take you out, and in your case, to take you out for 20 sailing.
I'm expecting to go and kayak on some nice shoreline and see some birds and dolphins, and I expect the sun to come out and shine, and also I expect to keep dry mostly and have fun.
Big waves, good music, and a cocktail.
Well, I'm keen to go kayaking.
Well, I expect to not lose Jakob, for example. I'm going to be wet.
I'm going sailing, so I'm looking forward to that. It's a beautiful day. The wind's up, the wind has picked up. Perfect.
I'm hoping to avoid a head injury at this point because someone just walked through with a big knock on their head. So
I'm hoping to move fast on the water. It's been quite breezy.
A wet kayaking tour.
Something happens always.
We're looking for the biggest swells and waves on Earth.
I'm going to go out and talk to some interesting people and sail around and see some of the history. When you get to, make sure you bring all your things out of the changing rooms because they're public changing rooms. So, and we'll meet you back here at 7, is that right?
Yep.
And then we'll all go back on the water taxi together at that point.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
and a wetsuit and then this jacket. You're not telling.
You haven't seven at school? Anyone else? Seven outside. Are you kayaking? Excellent. Hi, you guys just want to split yourselves in half. Nice to meet you.
Or is that a brand?
And then rowers.
One guy.
Rowers.
One guy.
Rowers.
One guy.
Yeah.
When I learned it.
So when you press it away from you, come up this way. See the orange mark?
One guy.
Ah. Away from you. As you come up.
Yeah, should we go around the boat that way? Or...
Yeah, if we can.
Okay.
Because some of the bigger boats are restricted by their depth. So big ships that draw a lot of draft, they have to sail within certain channels, which is what all the boys do. Yeah, I was just thinking we might do. It's not used at all.
Yeah, but I'd rather like put it into like a natural.
Oh yeah, here we go.
I don't know. There is so much beach you always don't know to which like.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Sir.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go, guys.
Push ahead. Straight up. Straight.
Always shifting.
Yeah, good.
This is the tightest. So you have to,
Oh, okay.
it's quite hard work.
Yeah.
That's what we said once, and then they have.
Colour.